and tumble it. Straight off the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blunt in it. Lil' mama a thot, and she got ass, that she gon' up a bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast, dropping the dope in the stash. In Italy, got too foreign hoes, they DM me. Draw at the top, joint is cold, but you feel the heat. Be real with me, keep it 100, just be real with me. Eat it up like it's a feast, they say the dope won't flee.
Breakfast that kill on me, ice on my lip, baby, chill with me. Them niggas that bust in the back don't say nothing, them niggas a kill for me. Back as I count on my shit on fleek, and I can spit on that patty for me. Bitch, I'm a dog in my tree, how about the fog and leave? I put the wrist in the feather, my bitch she walk around like she Chris Jenner.
You get the bag and fumble it, I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight off the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blunt in it. Lil' mama a thot, and she got ass, that she gon' fuck up a bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast, dropping the dope in the stash. In Italy, got too foreign hoes, they DM me. Drop the top, dress is cold, but you feel the heat. Be real with me, keep it 100, just be real with me. Eat it up like it's a feast, they say the dope won't flee.
I know that these niggas getting sick of me. These chains on my neck cause a meal a piece. I don't even like to freestyle for free. I put in the key and I ride the beat. I don't even come out the house for free. I pay a nigga to drive for me. Jay-Z couldn't even go sign for me. I do what I want cause I'm signed to me. I get the bag. They get the back and the credit and bag. Talking comparing, y'all making me laugh. Need to rehab, I'm addicted to cash. Convertible walk, convertible top. My dope got a vertical, look at that hop. Script, and it came out that pot. Came out the jet and went straight to.
So I blew my car out. I went to clutch kick and second gear let go, so I have no second gear. I ramped it up to about 80 pounds worth of air pressure in the rear tires and put it in third, and no dice, it's not going to work. So I have a really good friend of mine, a really good new friend of mine named Kevin Cudmore, who let me borrow his car, and his car is a VH swapped S13 and PBM coilovers and a bunch of other stuff that I've never driven on before. And I've got like 2 laps in this car. We made 1 lap and it needed some like big work to the fender wells and the coilovers, and we adjusted it. I got another 2 laps and I think I'm pretty much comfortable. But since my car is broken, he's gonna let me compete in this thing. So we're about to start qualifying. I'm gonna see if I can even qualify, and then we're gonna go from there. But it's definitely gonna be interesting. I'm just trying to get like more bang for my money since I came all the way out here, you know what I mean? And Kevin is a super champ and let me drive this car. It's a fresh build. This is like its 3rd event. So I'm kind of excited to see, you know, what happens here, but it's definitely going to make for an interesting time. Alright, come on baby, we can agree. Boy, howdy. I tell you what, guys, driving somebody else's car is scary and it's different, and I've never done it before, anything like that. I've taken people's cars for like a lap or two, you know what I mean? Like letting your friends drive and stuff. You know, never an infinity swapped V8 S13, you know, with no angle and everything else. But it was interesting. But I have actually got a really interesting scenario going on right now. I blew out the transmission in my car. But from what I can tell, it's only second gear that's blown up. So I couldn't drift anymore, obviously, but the car still drives. Unfortunately, Mr. Ben Kraft, whose car is on my trailer right now, his fuel pump went out. So he has no way to drive his car. So I said, you know, how about we just go to your house, which is about 50 miles away from the track in Oklahoma City, and he's just gonna drive my car 50 miles with no second gear. But I don't know how long the transmission is going to survive, or if it will survive, you know, on this trip. But it seems to be doing okay thus far, so I'm just gonna hope up. But if any of the local guys that watch my channel have a KA transmission for sale, hit your boy up, because I need it. But anyway, I am exhausted, I'm hot, I'm sweaty, I'm disgusting, and I am ready for a shower. But thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you next week with some kind of content, whether, you know, whatever it be. But until we see you again, you guys give them hell. 'Cause I was young.